Welcome. Before we start, let me tell you who this course is for and how it works. This is for someone like you. You know climate. You've spent years on adaptation, on policy, on the science of a warming world. You can walk into a room and talk about drought risk in the Mekong or the resilience of a rural road and hold your own with anyone. But when the conversation turns to the money, to the terms of a loan, to what a guarantee is, or why a project isn't bankable, a different language takes over. And nobody ever sat you down and taught you that language plainly. That's what this course does. So here's my promise. I will never assume you know finance. Every term, the first time it appears, I'll define it in one plain sentence, usually with an everyday example. I will not, on the other hand, waste your time re-explaining climate science you already know. We meet as equals, each bringing our half. The course is 16 modules built in 5 parts. We start with foundations, what climate finance actually is and the finance basics underneath it. Then the architecture, the funds and banks and donors. Then the instruments, the actual tools money travels in. Then the big themes, adaptation, mitigation, carbon markets. And finally, how you access this money in practice. Each module builds on the ones before, so listen in order if you can. Every so often, I'll pause and ask the exact question you're probably thinking. You'll hear it as question, then answer. Those aren't filler. They're the moments where I know something hasn't quite clicked and we sort it out together. One last thing, this is made to be listened to, not read. Put it on while you walk or commute or make coffee. Let it wash over you more than once. Ready? Let's begin.